How to disassemble the OptiPlex 3070 by Dell. First, you remove your back screw, and then you slide the entire front assembly forward and remove. To remove your SSD, simply pull on the clamp, there's supposed to be two, and slide it towards the front of the case. To remove the SSD from the casing shroud, simply pop these pins out of place. There are no screws, it is a fully toolless removal. To remove the fan assembly, simply pinch the two blue clips, tilt the fan towards the top, and remove the assembly. To remove the RAM, click the pins on both sides and slowly remove. To remove the Wi-Fi card, simply twist out the screw and the Wi-Fi card will lift up and you can remove it from its place. Do the same for the SSD, and simply lift it out of the slot once the screw is removed. To remove the cooler, simply untwist the 4 screws in order. They are numbered 1 through 4. Next is the CPU. We're going to lift the retaining bar by moving it to the side and back, and then lift the pressure plate. Being careful not to touch any of the pins underneath, slowly lift out the CPU. This is the i5 9500 standard. Next, we're going to remove all of the screws that are holding this motherboard to the case. With that being the final one, we're going to pull up a little bit on this bracket and slowly remove the motherboard from this case. There is a little bit of adhesive in the back, but do not force anything to come out. If it feels like it's stuck, it probably is. But then you have the entire thing disassembled, and this is the entire motherboard for this Dell OptiPlex. Let me know if you have any questions about how to disassemble your microcomputer, and look for the reassembly in another video.